Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 6.2 V8 with 355 horsepower and 383 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 22-inch wheels, 6.2 V8 badging, Denali, black leather interior, sunroof, rear power outlet, rear heated seats, aftermarket rack, trailer hitch, GMC Denali Sierra badging. On the tailgate we got the all-season floor mats, bed cover, keyless entry, running boards, blind spot assist, Bose sound system, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push-start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, USB ports, cup holders. This Denali has 33,419 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GMC Denali, check out feldmannimports.com.